Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our cabbage, I've got a pan on a medium-high heat. I'm just going to get some oil in. Actually, it's pretty hot. And then I'm going to get my cabbage in. So I've got half a green cabbage. Just slice. I'm going to get a splash of water in. That's going to provide steam. And we're just going to cook the cabbage until it's soft. So I've had my cabbage cooking for about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more, on just a medium heat, and I've had it covered the whole time. So I'm just giving it a stir. So you just want it to be soft, but still, I like it still a little bit, to have a little bit of bite to it. So kind of like, you know, al dente pasta. But, you know, if you'd like it softer, that's all good. Mine's got burnt a little bit, so better stir, give it a good stir. So then we're going to get our spices in. So I'm just using a Madras style medium curry powder, but you know, any curry powder you like, or if you want to take it in a different direction, you know, any of your favorite spice blends, like if you want to be in a more of a Moroccan vibe, some Ras El Hanout could be nice, or you know, just a little bit of cumin and ground coriander can be really lovely, but I'm going with the curry powder today. So 1, 2, I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons. If you like it, depending on your curry powder, like if you like it pretty fiery, then go with more. Or if you're a bit shy on the spices, you know, just 1 or 2 teaspoons can be really lovely, just to add that fragrance without making it too crazy. The thing I love about this curry powder is that it's got the turmeric in it, so it gives it a nice color as well, like a kind of golden color. So we just want to cook that for another minute or two for the curry powder to kind of toast up a bit. Like when it starts to smell nice, then you know that that's good. So then we're going to get it off the heat. I'm going to season. So I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce today. But yeah, you might want to start with 1 if you don't like things too salty. And then I've got some lovely crumbled feta that I'm just going to pour in. That's 200 grams, so 7 ounces. Halloumi would be nice in here, or you can use eggs if you want to keep it dairy free, and just like let the eggs, about 4 eggs, just stir them through and let them cook. So we'll just give that a good stir, and then we're going to taste and season with more soy sauce if it needs it, or maybe a bit of salt, but it's got the feta in there, so it's probably going to be pretty good as it is. And then I'm going to finish with some roast nuts and some parsley leaves. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.